Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of our KNX Series ETS6 for beginners. Today we will be diving into the different aspects of panels in ETS6. Let's get started. Let's start with building panels. In ETS6, building panels serve as a primary way to structure your KNX installation. A building panel represents a physical or logical grouping of devices within a project. It allows you to organize devices based on their location, floors, or areas, making it easier to manage and control your KNX system efficiently. When you create a building panel, you can easily add and remove devices to it, and changes made to a device's property within the building panel will reflect across the entire project. It's an excellent feature for those working on large-scale KNX installations with multiple rooms, floors, or buildings. Group addresses are essential for communication between devices in a KNX installation. They act as virtual addresses through which devices can exchange information, enabling seamless automation and control. With group addresses panels, you can create, manage, and organize these communication addresses effectively. Now let's talk about topology. In ETS6, topology refers to the physical layout and structure of your KNX installation. This includes the network's architecture, the connection between devices, and the relationship with building panels. ETS6 offers intuitive tools for visualizing and designing your system's topology. You can create connections between devices and group addresses, set up routing, and ensure that the communication paths are optimized for smooth data exchange. Project rule. Understanding and managing the topology is crucial for building robust and reliable KNX installations. This ETS panel offers you a summary of all project views in one compact review. The content displayed is identical to that which is displayed in individual ETS panels. Devices. In this ETS panel, all devices are displayed in one list without any categorization. In particular, devices that are not assigned to any topology line and therefore have no assigned individual addresses. Reports are an essential part of project documentation. In ETS6, we have the Reports panel, which provides us with a comprehensive overview of our project. It generates various reports including device report, group address reports, and project summaries. These reports help us keep track of the project's progress, verify the configuration, and serve as a valuable documentation for future reference and collaboration with other team members. Next, let's explore the Catalog panel. The Catalog is a database of all available KNX devices and their respective product data. It acts as a library where we can access a wide range of certified KNX devices from various manufacturers. In ETS6, we can browse the catalog to find the specific devices, add them to our project, and import the product data effortlessly. This feature simplifies the process of integrating new devices into our KNX installation. Diagnostics are crucial for troubleshooting and maintaining a healthy KNX system. The Diagnostics panel provides valuable insights into the status and health of the KNX installation. Through Diagnostics, we can detect and resolve communication issues, check for device error, and monitor the network's overall performance. This panel empowers us to ensure that our KNX installation operates optimally and reliably. I hope you found this video informative and that it's helped you to get started with your KNX project. Thanks for watching, and see you next week for a new episode.